discuss about whole number and we will solve some problems of self-practice exercise 2a questions 1 to 7 of chapter 2 second chapter, that is whole number, of class 6 of new learning composite mathematics textbook. Let's get started. What we will learn today? Today we will learn about self-practice 2a questions 1 to 7. Topics are whole number, properties of whole numbers in addition, properties of whole numbers in subtraction, closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive identity property and additive zero property of subtraction. Before we solve the question answer from exercise self-practice exercise 2a, let's discuss about whole numbers. What is whole number? We know natural number, that is counting numbers 1, 2, 3. When we add 0 in the natural numbers, we get the whole number. Whole number starts with 0, 1, 2. Whole number starts with 0. Now properties of whole number. Addition. Properties of whole number in addition. First property is closure property. If a and b are whole numbers, then their addition a plus b is also a whole number. For example, if 2 and 3 are whole number, then their addition 2 plus 3, that is 5. 5 is also a whole number. So whole numbers are closed in addition. Then second is commutative property. What is commutative property? If a and b are whole numbers, then their addition a plus b equal to b plus a. For example, 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are whole numbers, then their addition 2 plus 3 is 5. And if we reverse the whole number b plus a, that is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is also 5. So whole numbers are commutative in addition. Let's discuss about third properties, that is associative properties. What is associative properties? If a, b and c, 3 are whole numbers, then their addition a plus b within bracket plus c equal to a plus b plus c, that is in bracket. For example, 2 and 3 and 4 are whole number, then their addition 2 plus 3, that is inside the bracket. 2 plus 3 is inside the bracket plus 4, that is 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. And 2 plus 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 are inside the bracket. Then 2 plus 3 plus 4 is, 3 plus 4 is 7, 2 plus 7, 2 plus 7 is 9. In both left side also we get 9 and in right side also we get the whole number 9. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9 in left hand side, and in right hand side 2 plus 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, 2 plus 7 is 9. So we get the whole numbers are associative in addition. Then fourth property. Fourth property is additive identity. If a is a whole number, then their addition, if a is a whole number, then if we add 0 with the whole number a, then the same number we get, that is a plus 0 equal to a. For example, 2 is a whole number and 0 is also a whole number. When we add 0 with the whole number 2, we get the same number, that is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 is called the additive identity of whole number. Let's discuss about properties of whole number in a subtraction. First property is closure properties. If A, B are whole numbers, then their subtraction A minus B is not a whole number. For example, 2 and 3 are whole numbers, then their subtraction 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 is not a whole number. Minus 1 is a integer. We'll discuss about this integer later on this chapter. Then second property is commutative properties. What is commutative property? If A, B are whole numbers, then their subtraction A minus B is not equal to B minus A. For example, 2 and 3 are whole numbers, then their subtraction 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and 3 minus 2. Then we reverse the numbers 3 and 2, that is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus 1 is not equal to 1. So subtraction is not commutative in whole number, and subtraction is also not closed in whole number. In addition, whole numbers are closed in addition, but in subtraction whole numbers are not closed in subtraction. In addition, whole numbers are commutative in addition. In subtraction, whole numbers are not commutative in subtraction. Let's discuss about third property, that is associative property. If A, B and C are whole numbers, then their subtraction A minus B inside the bracket minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. B minus C are inside the bracket. That is A minus B minus C not equal to A minus B minus C. For example, 2, 3 and 4 are whole numbers, then their subtraction 2 minus 3 inside the bracket minus 4. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5, and in right hand side 2 minus 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 inside the bracket, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, and minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Then 2 minus of minus 1 is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. In left hand side we get minus 5, that is integer, and in right hand side we get whole number 3. Both are not equal. So whole numbers are not associative in subtraction. The next property is property of 0. If A is a whole number, then if we subtract 0 from the whole number, that is A minus 0 equal to A. A minus 0 equal to A. We get the same number, same whole number A. For example, 2 is a whole number, then 2 minus 0. That is, we subtract 0 from the whole number 2. 2 minus 0 equal to 2. We get the same number. That is the property of 0. Here 0 is the identity of subtraction. In addition, whole numbers are associative in addition, but in subtraction, whole numbers are not associative in subtraction. In addition, 0 is the additive identity, and in subtraction, 0 is also the identity for subtraction. Let's solve the exercise, self-practice exercise 12. First we will solve the question number 1. Question number 1 is evaluate the expression, then name the property illustrated. First bit is 5 plus 9 equal to dash, 9 plus 5 equal to dash. 5 plus 9 is 14 and 9 plus 5 is 14. That is, both are equal. That is, addition of whole number is commutative. 5 plus 9 equal to 9 plus 5. And second bit is 495 minus 0. 495 minus 0 is 495. That is, zero property of subtraction. When we subtract 0 from whole number 495, we get the whole number 495. जब हम 0 को subtract करते हैं whole number से, हमको same number that is whole number जिसके साथ subtract करते हैं वही same number ही हमको मिलता है. That is called the closure, that is called the property of 0 of subtraction. Next we will solve third bit. Third bit is 7 plus 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 को हम ब्रैकेट के अंदर रखा गया है एंड 7 plus 4 को ब्रैकेट के अंदर रखा गया है. 7 plus 4 plus 9. What is the properties of this expression? 7 plus 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. 7 plus 13 is 20. And 7 plus 4 plus 9. 7 plus 4 is inside the bracket. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. We get the same whole number 20. This property is the associative property. That is, addition of whole numbers are associative. Whole numbers are associative in addition. This property is called the associative property in addition of whole number. इस प्रॉपर्टी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ होल नंबर इन एडिशन. Now we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 is name the property shown. First bit is 19 plus 25 equal to 25 plus 19. 19 and 25 are whole number. That is, when we add this whole number 19 plus 25 and then we reverse the whole number 25 plus 19. That is the commutative property of whole number in addition. This property is, इस प्रॉपर्टी को क्या बोलते हैं? कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ होल नंबर इन एडिशन. सेकेंड बिट इज 456 प्लस 0 इक्वल टू 856 plus 0, 856 plus 0 equal to 856. This property is known as additive identity of whole number. When we add 0 to a whole number, we get the same whole number. हम जब 0 को ऐड करते हैं किसी होल नंबर से, वही सेम ही होल नंबर हमको मिलता है. इस प्रॉपर्टी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी ऑफ होल नंबर. 0 को हम एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी बोलते हैं. 0 is known as the additive identity of whole number. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting the notification of future videos. Now we will solve third bit. Third bit is 23 plus 15 plus 17. 23 plus 15 is inside the bracket. 23 and 15 को ब्रैकेट के अंदर में रखा गया है. प्लस 17 इक्वल टू 23 प्लस 17 प्लस 15. 23 प्लस 17 को ब्रैकेट के अंदर रखा गया है. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज नोन एज द एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ होल नंबर इन एडिशन. नेक्स्ट बिट 0 plus 15730. 0 plus 15,730 equal to 15,730 plus 0. This property is known as the commutative property of whole number. That is, 0 and 0 और 15,730 को ऐड करेंगे और फिर उसको रिवर्स करके ऐड करेंगे. 15,730 प्लस 0, हमको सेम नंबर ही मिलेगा 15,730. इसको हम कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी भी बोल सकते हैं और एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी. 0 is the additive identity. When we add 0 with a whole number 15,730, we get the same whole number 15,730. These properties are both commutative also you can write, and commutative property that is with reverse here 15,730 इसको रिवर्स किए हैं 0 प्लस 15,730 इसको रिवर्स करके क्या लिखा गया है 15,730 प्लस 0 इसको रिवर्स किए हैं फिर पहले 0 प्लस 0 के साथ ऐड किए हैं 15,730 देन 15,730 को ऐड किए हैं 0 के साथ that is the commutative property of whole number, and we know 0 is the additive identity of whole number, so this property is also known as additive identity property. Now we will solve question number 3. Question number 3 is fill in the blanks to make each of the following statements true. Name the property used. First bit is 375 plus dash is equal to 125 plus 375. This property is the commutative property is here 375 in right hand side 125 plus 375. If we add 125 plus 375 we get the same number, and when we add 375 and 125 we get the same number. So here in the blanks we'll write 125. 375 plus 125 equal to 125 plus 375. This property is known as the commutative property of whole number in addition. This property is commutative property. Now second bit 0 plus 307 equal to dash. 0 plus 307 equal to 307 only. When we add 0 with a whole number 307 we get the same whole number 307 only. So this property is known as the additive identity property of whole number. Here 0 is known as the additive identity of whole number. Let's solve question number third bit. Third bit is 19,000 plus 0 equal to dash. 19,000 plus 0 equal to 19,000 only. When we add 0 to a whole number, we get the same whole number. Here 19,000 plus 0 equal to 19,000. We get the same whole number 19,000. This property is known as the additive identity property of whole number. 0 is known as the additive identity property of whole number. हम क्या बोलते हैं 0 को एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी ऑफ होल नंबर. हम जब 0 को एक होल नंबर के साथ ऐड करते हैं वही सेम होल नंबर हमको मिलता है. सो 0 को हम एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी होल नंबर का एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ बीट इज 33 प्लस 307 प्लस 58. 307 प्लस 58 को हम ब्रैकेट के अंदर में लिखे हैं and 30 equal to 33 plus 307 that is inside the bracket plus 58. Here 33 plus 307 plus 58 equal to 33 plus 307 plus 58. This property is known as the associative property of whole number. इस प्रॉपर्टी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ होल नंबर. Now we'll solve question number 4. Question number 4 is write an example of each property using the whole numbers. First bit is identity property. Additive identity property of whole number, that is 15. Let's take an example. 15 plus 0 equal to 15. 15 is a whole number. When we add 0 with a whole number, we get the same whole number. एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी प्रॉपर्टी का एक एग्जाम्पल में क्या होगा? एक होल नंबर प्लस 0 इक्वल टू होल नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 15 एक होल नंबर है, उसको हम ऐड करेंगे 0 के साथ, वही सेम नंबर हमको मिलेगा 15. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज नोन एज द एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ होल नंबर. नेक्स्ट बिट कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. Commutative property, two numbers are given, we add two numbers, then we reverse the whole number. 15 plus 36 equal to 36 plus 15. 15 and 36 both are whole number. We add the whole number 15 and 36, that is 15 plus 36. Then we reverse the whole number 36 plus 15. We get the same whole number. This property is known as the commutative property. इस प्रॉपर्टी को हम कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी बोलते हैं. कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी में क्या होता है, टू नंबर्स होल नंबर्स दिया जाता है, हम इसको ऐड करते हैं और इसको रिवर्स भी कर सकते हैं. 36 प्लस 15, 15 एंड 36 वी ऐड, देन वी रिवर्स 36 एंड 15, वी गेट द सेम नंबर. उसको हम रिवर्स करने के बाद भी सेम ही नंबर ऐड करने से हमको मिलता है. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज नोन एज द कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ whole number in addition. Now we solve question number third bit. Question number third bit is associative property. Associative property example 12 plus 5 plus 29. 5 plus 29 is inside the bracket. Then 12 plus 5 is inside the bracket plus 29. पहले 5 plus 29 को ऐड करेंगे, then the result we add with the whole number 12, and here 12 plus 5, पहले 12 and 5 को ऐड करेंगे, फिर जो रिजल्ट निकलेगा उसको 29 के साथ ऐड करेंगे. Both cases we get the same whole number. First we add, in left hand side first we add the whole number 5 and 29, then the result we add with whole number 12. In the RHS right hand side first we add the whole number 12 and 5, then we add the result that we get with the whole number 29. In both cases, in left hand side and right hand side, we get the same whole number. This property is known as the associative property of whole number. Let's solve question number 5. Question number 5 is state true or false. First bit is 15 plus 0 equal to 0. We know when we add 0 with a whole number, we get the same whole number. So 15 plus 0 equal to 0 is false. हम जब 0 को होल नंबर के साथ ऐड करते हैं, होल नंबर ही हमको मिलता है. सो 15 प्लस 0 इक्वल टू 0, ये फॉल्स है. 15 प्लस 0 इक्वल टू, सो दिस विल बी करेक्ट. 15 प्लस 0 इक्वल टू 15, and this property is known as the commutative property of whole number. Second bit is 7 plus 86 plus equal to 86 plus 7. When we add two numbers 7 and 86 and then we reverse the whole number 86 and 7. In both cases we get the same whole number. This property is known as the commutative property of whole number. So this expression is correct, true. 7 plus 86 equal to 86 plus 7 is true, and this property is known as the commutative property of whole number. इसको हम commutative property बोलते हैं. 7 plus 86 equal to 86 plus 7 is true. This property is known as the commutative property of whole number. Now we will solve question number third bit. Third bit is 25 plus 7 is inside the bracket plus 9 equal to 25 plus 9 is inside the bracket plus 7. First we add 25 and 7, then the result that we get we add with the whole number 9. And in right hand side first we add 9 with 25 and the result that we get we add with 7. In both cases we get the same whole number. That is true. This property is known as the associative property of whole number. Next we solve question number fourth bit. The fourth bit is 25 minus 17 equal to 17 minus 25. 25 minus 17 we get 8, and 17 minus 25 we get minus 8. Both are unequal, so this is false. We know subtraction of whole number is not commutative in subtraction. Subtraction whole number is not commutative. This property is known as the subtraction of whole number is not commutative. Commutative whole numbers are not commutative in subtraction. Now we'll solve question number 5th bit. 5th bit is 587 minus 0 equal to 587. When we subtract 0 from a whole number, we get the same whole number. This is the property of 0, that is 0 is the identity of subtraction. So this is true. 587 minus 0 equal to 587. जब हम 0 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं किसी होल नंबर के साथ, कोई सेम होल नंबर हमको मिलता है. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज नोन एज द आइडेंटिटी property of subtraction. Identity 0 is known as the identity of subtraction. The next bit is 95 minus 0 equal to 0 minus 95. 95 minus 0 is we get 95, and 0 minus 95 is minus 95. That is false. We get 95 and here we get minus 95. 95 and minus 95 are not equal. This is false. Subtraction of whole number is not commutative. This property is known as the commutative in whole numbers. Commutative whole numbers are not commutative in subtraction. Twenty-four minus 7 minus 5. 24 minus 7 is inside the bracket. Minus 5 equal to 24 minus 7 minus 5 is inside the bracket. This is also false. This property is known as the subtraction of whole number is not associative. Whole numbers are not associative in subtraction. Next bit is 78 minus 80 is a whole number. 78 minus 80, what we get? Minus 2. Minus 2 is not a whole number, that is an integer, and we will discuss about integer in later of this chapter. So here subtraction of whole number is not closed. Whole numbers are not closed in subtraction. So 78 minus 80 is not a whole number. 78 minus 80 is a whole number, that is false. Now we will solve question number 6. Question number 6 is simplify each expression and identify the property used. First bit is 8 plus 23 plus 2. 8 plus 23 plus 2 is given. When you reverse 23 and 8, we get 23 plus 8. And this property is known as the commutative property. 23 plus 8 is commutative plus 2. Then 23 plus 8 plus 2. This is the associative property of whole number. 23 plus 8 plus 2 is 10. Then 23 plus 10 is 33. We get 8 plus 23 plus 2 equal to 33. Now we'll solve question number second bit. Second bit is 17 plus 29 plus 3. We reverse 17 and 29, that is 29 plus 17. This is the commutative property 29 plus 17 plus 3. And now 17 plus 3 is inside the bracket, and this property is known as the associative property. 29 plus 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3 is inside the bracket. This is the associative property of whole numbers. Then first we add 17 plus 3, that is inside the bracket. What we get? 20. Then 29 plus 20. 29 ऐड करेंगे 20 के साथ. पहले हम जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर है उसको पहले हम ऐड करेंगे 17 एंड 17 और 3 के साथ. हमको मिला 20. 20 plus 29. What we get? 49. So we get 17 plus 29 plus 3 is 49. Next we will solve question number third bit. Third bit is 16 plus 47 plus 14. Here we reverse 16 and 47. 47 plus 16, that is the commutative property of whole number. Then we add 14 plus 14. 47 plus 16, this is commutative property. 47 plus 16 plus 14. 16 plus 14 is inside the bracket. That is the associative property of whole number. 47 plus 16 plus 14. First we add 16 and 14, that is inside the bracket. 16 and 14 we add and we get 30. Then we add 30 with 47. 47 plus 30 we get 77. So 16 plus 47 plus 14 equal to 77. Now we will solve question number fourth bit. Question number fourth bit is 33 plus 48 plus 7. 33 and 48, we reverse 48, 33 and 48. 48 plus 33, that is commutative property. 48 plus 33 plus 7. Then we 33 plus 7 is inside the bracket. First is, and this is the associative property. 48 plus 33 plus 7. 33 plus 7 is inside the bracket. First is add what is inside the bracket. 33 plus 7, that is inside the bracket. First we add this 33 plus 7, we get 40. Then we add 40 with 48. 40 plus 48 is 88. 48 plus 40 equal to 88. फर्स्ट हम पहले हम 33 एंड 7 जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर है उसको ऐड करेंगे. हमको क्या मिला? 33 प्लस 7 हमको मिला 40. देन 40 को ऐड करेंगे 48 के साथ, दैट इज 88. Now we solve question number fifth bit. Fifth bit is 20 plus 63 plus 80. 63 plus 80 is inside the bracket. 63 प्लस 80, 63 एंड 80 को हम रिवर्स करेंगे, 80 प्लस 63, that is the commutative property. We reverse 63 and 80 in 80 plus 63, that is the commutative property. Then 20 plus 80, that is within inside the bracket, 20 plus 80 inside the bracket, then we add 63, 20 plus 80 inside the bracket plus 63, that is the associative property. 20 plus 80 is 100, 100 plus 63, that is 180, 163, 100 plus 63 equal to 163. यहाँ पे पहले हम 63 और 80 को रिवर्स कर दिए, रिवर्स करने के बाद हमको क्या मिला, 80 प्लस 63, दैट इज द कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. फिर 20 एंड 80 को हम ब्रैकेट के अंदर रखे, 20 प्लस 80 प्लस 63, दैट इज द एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. देन वी ऐड व्हाट इज इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट, 20 एंड 80 को ऐड किए हम जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर है, 20 एंड 80, 20 प्लस 80 इज 100 हमको मिला, 100 प्लस 63 is 163. So 20 plus 63 plus 80 equal to 163. Now we will solve 6th bit. 6th bit is 8 plus 13 plus 7 plus 12. 8 plus 13, 13 plus 7 and 12 we have to reverse. 12 plus 7. 7 plus 12 is here. Then we reverse 12, 7 and 12. We get 12 and 7. 12 plus 7. That is the commutative property. 7 plus 12 equal to 12 plus 7. That is the commutative property. Then we reverse 13 and 12. 13 plus 12 equal to 12 plus 13. This 13 plus 12 equal to 12 plus 13. We get 8 plus 12 plus 13 plus 7. That is also commutative property. Then within inside the bracket we write 8 plus 12. 8 plus 12 is inside the bracket plus 13 plus 7 is also inside the bracket. And this is the associative property. 8 plus 12, first we add this inside the bracket, 8 and 12. 8 plus 12 is 20. And 13 plus 7, that is inside the bracket, we have to add 13 plus 7 is also 20. We get 20 plus 20 equal to 40. पहले हम 7 एंड 12 को रिवर्स करेंगे. 7 प्लस 12 इक्वल टू 12 प्लस 7, दैट इज कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी बोलते हैं हम इसको. फिर हम 13 प्लस 12 को रिवर्स करेंगे. 13 प्लस 12 इक्वल टू 12 प्लस 13, दैट इज कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. फिर हम 8 प्लस 12 को ब्रैकेट के अंदर रखेंगे एंड 13 प्लस 7 को भी ब्रैकेट के अंदर रखेंगे, दैट इज द एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. फर्स्ट वी ऐड, पहले हम 8 प्लस 12 को ऐड करेंगे. 8 12 को ऐड करके हमको मिला 20 एंड फिर 13 और 7 को ऐड करके हमको मिला 20. 20 प्लस 20 इक्वल टू 40. 8 प्लस 13 प्लस 7 प्लस 12 इक्वल टू 40. Now we will solve question number 7. Question number 7 is solve the following by suitable rearrangement. First bit is 869 plus 73 plus 237 plus 31. 869 plus 73 plus 237 plus 31. That is given. We have to rearrange the number, whole number. 869 plus 73 plus 237 plus 31 is 31 equal to 31 plus 237. We reverse 237 plus 31. with 31 plus 237, that is the commutative property. 237 plus 31 equal to 31 plus 237, that is the commutative property. Then we reverse 73 plus 31 equal to 31 plus 70, 73. 73 plus 31 equal to 31 plus 73, that is the commutative property of whole number. Then within inside the bracket we write 869 plus 31, and within inside the bracket 73 plus 237. This is the associative property. And 869 plus 31 is 900, and 73 plus 237 is 310. 900 plus 310 equal to 1210. We get 869 plus 73 plus 237 plus 31 equal to 1210. पहले हम 237 और 31 को रिवर्स करेंगे. 31 प्लस 237, 237 प्लस 31 इक्वल टू 31 प्लस 237, दैट इज द कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. नेक्स्ट 73 प्लस 31 with 31 plus 73. 73 plus 31 इक्वल टू 31 प्लस 73, उसको हम कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी बोलते हैं. 73 प्लस 31 इक्वल टू 31 प्लस 73. फिर हम 869 प्लस 31 को ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखेंगे और 73 237 को ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखेंगे. 269 प्लस 31 प्लस 73 प्लस 237, इसको हम एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी बोलते हैं. एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ होल नंबर्स इन एडिशन. फिर हम 869 प्लस 31 को ऐड करके हमको मिला 900, एंड 73 प्लस 237 ऐड करके हमको मिला 310. 900 प्लस 300 हमको मिला 1210. 869 प्लस 73 प्लस 237 प्लस 31 इक्वल टू 1210. Now we solve question number second bit. Second bit is 916 plus 425 plus 584 plus 315. 916 plus 425 plus 584 plus 315. We have to rearrange the whole numbers and we solve this expression. 916 plus 425 plus 584, we reverse this whole number. 425 plus 584 equal to 584 plus 425. 425 plus 584 equal to 584 plus 425, that is the commutative property, plus 315. Then within inside the bracket we write 916 plus 584 and 425 plus 315 right inside the bracket. That is the associative property. 916 plus 584, what we get? 1500. And 425 plus 315 is 740. Next we add 1500 plus 740, that is 2240. So we get 916 plus 425 plus 584 plus 315 equal to 2240. पहले हम 425 एंड 584 को रिवर्स करके लिखेंगे 425 प्लस 584 इक्वल टू 584 प्लस 405 दैट इज द कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी हम बोलते हैं प्लस 315। फिर हम 916 प्लस 584 को इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे, ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखेंगे। फिर 425 प्लस 315 को भी हम ब्रैकेट के अंदर में लिखेंगे, इसको हम एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी बोलते हैं। फिर 916 प्लस 584 को हम ऐड करके हमको मिला 1500 एंड 425 और 315 को ऐड करके हमको मिला 700। फिर हम 1500 प्लस 1500 एंड 740 को ऐड करेंगे। 1500 प्लस 740 इक्वल टू 2240। 916 प्लस 425 प्लस 584 प्लस 315 इक्वल टू 2240। Next we solve question number third bit. Third bit is 1756 plus 683 plus 1244 plus 570. 1756 plus 683 plus 1244 plus 570. Now we reverse 683 and 1244. 683 plus 1244 equal to 1244 plus 683. That is the commutative property. We reverse the whole number. 683 plus 1244 equal to 1244 plus 683. This is the commutative property of whole number. Then we inside the bracket we write 1756 plus 1244 and 683 plus 517 right inside the bracket. That is the associative property of whole number. 1756 plus 1244 we get 3000 and 683 plus 517 we get 1200. 3000 plus 1200 is 4200. पहले हम 683 प्लस 1244 को रिवर्स करके लिखेंगे। 683 प्लस 1244 इक्वल टू 1244 प्लस 683 दैट इज द हम इसको कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ होल नंबर बोलते हैं। फिर 1756 प्लस 1244 को हम ब्रैकेट के अंदर में लिखेंगे एंड 683 प्लस 517 को हम ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखेंगे, इसको हम एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी बोलते हैं। 1756 प्लस 1244 हमको मिला 3000 और 683 प्लस 517 हमको मिला 1200। 3000 एंड 1200 को हम ऐड करेंगे। 3000 प्लस 1200 इज 4200। 1756 plus 683 plus 1244 plus 517 equal to 4200. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. If you have any doubt, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubt, then